Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 1, knowing our numbers, exercise 1.2, question number 5. Question number 5 have find the difference between the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, each only once. Okay, so first we need to find the greatest digit and greatest 5-digit numbers, which is made by the given 5 digits 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3, and also we find the smallest 5-digit numbers using 2, 7, 6, 4 and 3. After this we find their difference. So let how to do it. Okay, so first we write given digits are. Okay, so what is the given digits here? Given digit are. The given digits is 6, 2, 7, 3, 4. Okay, 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. This is 5 digits given in this question. First we need to find greatest 5-digit number using digits. Okay, so first write here greatest 5-digit number, 5-digit and number using 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. This is equal to the greatest 5-digit number of using, and this digit is equal to 6. The greatest digit is 7. So first we write here 7. After this we write the next greatest digit is 6. We can write here 6. After this next greatest digit is 4. So you can write 4 and 3, and least digit is 2. So in this way you can make the greatest 5-digit numbers by using the given digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. This becomes 76,432. This is the greatest 5-digit numbers by using the given digit 6, 7, 4 and 3. Now we are going to find the smallest 5-digit numbers by using the given digits. Okay, so here we write our next step is that smallest 5-digit number, smallest 5-digit number by using which digit we use here? Here this is given 6, 2, 7, 4 and 3. So you can see here which digit is smallest digit. In the case of smallest numbers we write the smallest digit. So in this given question, that smallest digit is 2, after this 3, after this 4, 6 and 7. So you can write first here 2, after this 3, 4, 6 and 7. Okay, so in this way you make the 5-digit number by using this given digit. This is equal to 23,467. Okay, now we need to find their difference. Okay, so difference is equal to difference of greatest 5-digit number and smallest 5 digit number made by the using these digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So greatest 5 digit numbers we find right here 76,432 minus smallest 5 digit number is, you can see here, this is equal to 23,467. 23,467. This is the smallest 5 digit numbers using the given 5 digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So what is the difference between them? It becomes 76,432 minus 23,467. So we find the difference 52,965. This is equal to 52,965. Okay, this is the difference between the greatest 5 digit numbers and the smallest 5 digit numbers to using this given digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. In this question asked to us, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5 digit numbers that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. Okay, so first here you can see we write here, and the given digits are 6, 2, 7, 4, 3, and after this we find the greatest 5 digit numbers by using the given digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So this is we obtain 76,432. This is the greatest 5 digit numbers, and after this we find the smallest 5 digit numbers by using the given digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So here you can see we find the smallest 5 digit number by using these digits 23,467. Now we need to find their difference of greatest 5 digit numbers and smallest 5 digit number by using 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. So you can see here, this is the greatest 5 digit number, this is the greatest smallest 5 digit number by using these given digits, and their difference is 52,965. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 6. Okay, a machine on average manufactures 2,825 screws per day. Okay, a machine produce per day 2,825 screws. Okay, so how many screws did it produce in month of January 2006? Okay, so here the number of screws produced by machine in one day, this is given 2,825, and number of day in month of January 2006, this is 31. So we need to find how many screws produced by machine in month of January. So for this we multiply 31 because 31 day in the month of January, and number of screws produced in one day is 2,825. When we multiply 31 by 2,825, then we obtain number of screws produced by machine in the month of January. So let's see how to do it. Now in question number 6, this is given number of screws manufactured by number of screws manufactured in one day. Okay, so number of screw manufactures in one day, this is equal to how many screws manufactures in one day. This is given in question. one day, this is equal to 2825. This is given. Okay, in this question this is given, and the number of screw manufactured in one day is 2825. So we need to find the number of screw manufacturers in month of January. Okay, so number of day in January month, how many day in January month? Tell me. You know very well that this is a 31. Okay, so first write here number of day in month of January. Number of day in month of January, this is equal to 31 days. Okay, so now we need to find the number of screw manufactured in month of January. Okay, so you can write here number of screw manufactured in the month of January. This is equal to, in one day 2825 screw manufactured. So in 31 days, how many screw manufactured? So for this we multiply here in separate place 2825 into 31. So 1 5 ja 5, 1 2 ja 2, 1 8 ja 8, 1 2 ja again 2. Now again 3 5 ja 15, carry 1, 3 2 ja 6, 6 1 7, 3 8 ja 24, carry 2, and 2 3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8, and plus 10 5 7, and this becomes 8 plus 5 7, 15, carry 1, 2 plus 4 6, 1 7, and this is it. So 87,575 screw manufactured in the month of January. So here we obtain 87,575 screw manufactured in the month of January. Okay, in this question, question number 6, this is given that a machine on an average manufactures 2825 screw a day. How many screw did it produce in the month of January 2006? Okay, so you know very well the month of January have 31 day. Okay, how many day in the month of January? 31 day. And how many screw manufactured by machine? So this is given 2825 screw per day manufactured by machines. But we need to find here the number of screw manufactured in the month of January. So you know very well the 31 day in the month of January. Then when you multiply 2825 by 31, then you obtain 87,575 screw. This is the number of screw that machine manufactured in month of January. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this question. Okay, how to find the number of screw in the month of January when the number of screw is given, number of screw manufactured in one day, this is given. Okay, so here for one day 2,225 screw manufactured by this machine. So in month of January, in 31 day, So this is a 87,575. Now, so student, I hope all of you understood these questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 7. In question number 7, this is given a merchant have 78,992 rupees. 78,592 rupees with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at the rate 1,200 each. How many money will remain with her after purchase? Okay, so here this is given the amount with merchant is 78,592 rupees, and cost of one radio is also given here 1,200 rupees, and the number of radio is 40. Okay, so first we find then cost of 40 radio, because cost of one radio is given 1,200. So what is the cost of 40 radio? So cost of 40 radio is equal to 1,200 into 40. This is equal to 48,000. When you subtract 48,000 from 78,592, then you obtain 30,592 rupees remain with the merchants. So let's see how to solve this question. Now here in this question, the total money with merchant is given 78,592. So first you write total money with merchant. Total money merchant have, this is given rupees 78,592. This is the money with merchant. Okay, this is the money with merchant 78,592, and cost of one radio, because merchant purchase radio 40 radio. So this is given cost of one radio. So cost of one radio is given here. Cost of one radio, this is given 1,200 rupees. Okay, and how many radio purchased by merchant? So number of radio we find here. This is given number of radio. This is given. How many radio purchased by merchant? This is given 40 radio, and also this is given cost of one radio. Cost of one radio is 1,200 rupees. Now we need to find cost of 40 radio. So cost of 40 radio, this is equal to 40 into cost of one radio. This is 1,200. In this way we obtain here cost of 40 radio is equal to 48,000 rupees. Okay, now how many money spent by merchant, or you can write here money spent by merchant is equal to 48,000, because in this money he purchased 40 radio. So here you write money spent by merchant. So again you can write here money spent by merchant. This is equal to rupees 48,000. Clear? The money spent by merchant is equal to 48,000, because he buy 40 radio in 48,000 rupees, and he have 78,592 rupees. Now after we find money left with merchant, how many money left with merchant? Okay, so here you can write money left with merchant is equal to, this is equal to total money with merchant 78,592 minus 48,000 rupees, money spent by 48,000 rupees money spent by merchant, and money with merchant is 78,592. When we subtract it, then we obtain 30,592 rupees. Okay, rupees 30,000. Here this is symbol of rupees. This is also symbol of rupees. This is rupees 78,592 minus rupees 48,000. Okay, when you subtract 48,000 rupees from 78,592, then we obtain 30,592 rupees. So you can see here, at last you can say therefore the rupees 30,592 will be remain with her after purchase 40 revenue. Okay, so you can see this is the question solution of question number 7. I hope all of you understood this question, and you can solve such types questions. Now we are going to discuss next question, question number 8. Question number 8 have a student multiplied 7,236 by 65. Instead of multiplying by 56, by how much was his answer greater than the correct answers? Okay, so I read question again. This is given that a student multiplied 7,236 by 50 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. So question asked to us that by how much was his answer is greater than the correct answer. Okay, when he multiply by 65, this is a he obtained incorrect answer, because he need to multiply 55, but he multiply 65. So you need to find difference between correct and incorrect answer. So let's see how to find this solution of this question. So first we will find what is wrong answer. Okay, because we need to multiply for find wrong answer is 7,236 into 65. Okay, so let's see what is the wrong answer find by students. Okay, so wrong answer is equal to 7,236 into 7,236 into 65. We need to multiply 55, but he multiply 65 by mistake. So what is the multiplication between them? So let's see multiplication of 7,236 into 65 by this method. 7,236 into 65, you can multiply here. 5 6 is 30, carry 3, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3 18, carry 1, 5 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 11, carry again 1, 5 7 is 35, 35 plus 1 is become 36. Now here 6 6 is this is here 6 6 is 36, carry 3, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 21 carry 2, 6 2 ja 12 and 12 plus 2 14 and 6 carry 1, 6 7 ja 42, 42 plus 1 43. So in this way you obtain 0, 8 plus 6 14 carry 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 6 plus 4 10 carry 0 carry 1, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. We obtain 47,340. Wrong answer is 47,340. This is wrong answers. So what is the correct answers? Okay, when you multiply 56 by 7,236, then we obtain correct answers. Okay, so we write here correct answer is equal to correct answer. Correct answer is equal to, you can write here 7,236 into 56. Okay, so here we can multiply 7,236 into 56, then we obtain 6 6 is 36, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3 21 and again carry 2, 6 2 is 12, 12 plus 2 14 carry 1, 6 7 is 42 plus 1 43. Okay, this is equal to this. Now again here 5 30 0, 5 is 15, 15 plus 3 18. Okay, again 5 2 is 10, 1 11 and 5 7 is 35, 35 plus 1 36. Okay, this is 36. When you plus them, we have to use 6 1 2 and 4 on 5 4 plus 6 10 and 3 plus 1 40. This is equal to 40. So you can see here we have to we obtain 405,216. It means that 4,05,216. This is equal to 4,05,216 and here wrong answer is 4,70,340 and right answer is 4,05,216. So we need to find the difference between the right answer, wrong answer to right answer. So let's see what is the difference between them. And difference in answer, this is equal to difference in answer. This is equal to, you can write wrong answer because wrong answer is greater than correct answer, because this is the wrong answer is 4,70,340 and right answer means correct answer is 4,05,216. So you can write here wrong answer minus correct answer. Correct answer. Okay, so this is equal to 4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. So what is the difference between them? Okay, this is equal to 65,125. If you subtract them, then you obtain 65,124. this is a 16. Oh sorry, here 16. This is left. This is a 4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. If you subtract them, then we obtain 65,124. Okay. So student, you can see here the question is that one student to multiply 65 multiply 7,236 by 65 by 56, but he multiplied it by 65 by mistake. Then the wrong answer is 4,70,340, and the correct answer is, when you multiply by 65, then correct answer is, when you multiply by 66 in 7,236, then he find the correct answer is 4,05,216. Okay, so question asks to us, find the difference of their answer. So here we find difference in answer is wrong answer minus correct answer. This is equal to 4,70,340 minus 4,05,216. This is equal to 65,124. So student, I hope all of you understood these questions, and I think enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.